Value of Money by Julie Savarsa. Almost everything is measured by money. People go to work every day because of money. All purchases and transactions are made by money. Every country has a name for its own money. The importance of some countries is based on the value of their money. So, what is the value of money? To many, money is everything. We cannot get many things done without money. Many have pondered and contemplated to ask, can human beings live without money? Then, how shall we determine and assess the prices of individuals and materials? Differences between the rich and the poor are calculated in monetary terms. The power bestowed by money seems bigger than imagined. But there is just one thing that we cannot get by money. It's health.